Hello guys, my name is Carlos Cac. Welcome to Always Learning. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at Microsoft Teams and how can you utilize it to run your lessons online. Let's dive into this classroom tutorial.
Now, Microsoft Teams is part of Office 365, but you don't need an Office 365 account to use it. I'm going to demonstrate some of the key features that you can use to get online with your class today. You log in and the first thing you see here is that there are different options. Now, at the top, we have the activity. And the activity is going to show you everything that has been going in your Teams. Then we have a chat. And these are one-on-one chats with other people that are members of your Teams. Next one down is Teams, and this is where you are going to be spending most of your time. And let's click on one of the demo teams. Teams can contain multiple channels. Well, the most important is at the top. I can click on Files, and then you get an overview of all the files that have been shared. Finally, let's move into the assignments. Here you can check all the assignments that your teacher has sent you.
These are some of the basics that Microsoft Teams will allow you and enable you to teach your lessons online, share resources, share files, and brainstorm together as a class. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoy these tips, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. Thank you for watching.